News 46 is brought to you in part by...
For exquisite floral design and great pricing, it's just got to be Pahrump Valley Floral for all occasions. Call 727-1011.
Vicky, can you explain to the public on where the funds would be coming in this economic time to take care of the repairs on the pool that are needed?
Yes, you're taxed for the pool separately from the town. It's the tax dollar goes into a pool enterprise fund, and by statute, this money can only be spent on the pool. We've been accumulating the money over a number of years, and we're ready now to take care of our safety problems. But again, I would like to say we can't donate it to the poor. We can't feed the homeless. We can only spend it by statute on the pool.